Hello and welcome to Express Drives on our very special and exclusive video on how skill development is playing a crucial role in the overall auto industry and the manufacturing processes of the wonderful cars on the Indian roads. We are here at a skill development institute developed by Maruti Suzuki and supported with its supplier named DOJO. So, what exactly is DOJO? Maruti Suzuki is trying to bring in some good Japanese working ethics and culture into its manufacturing processes along with its suppliers. Here are all the details on exactly what Dojo is. Dojo is a space for immersive learning traditionally in the field of martial art but has been increasingly practiced in other fields like software development and skill development. Dojo in literal term means place of the way in Japanese. To excel a specific skill set, a cross-functional team works and practices the required skills for up to 3 months. In this case, up to 20 days, expert coaching and hands-on training is provided to the trainees. Dojo was launched by Maruti Suzuki in India first in 2016, and currently only this one particular training institute has trained over 400 people and can accommodate up to 35 people per batch. Maruti Suzuki currently has over 400 direct suppliers and over 90 of them have already established dojo centers. Maruti Suzuki is supporting all its suppliers to establish this dojo skill set to its employees and further improve the quality of products. In this case, UNO Minda is also supporting its own first tier suppliers to embed this into its own ecosystem to ensure high quality product and lower rejection rate. Now, of course, a car is made up of thousands and thousands of components, and this particular dojo center only focuses on the headlamp clusters, on the lighting parts, basically anything and everything to do with lights. So we are inside the UNO Minda's dojo center, and what you see here is a sample product which is used in the training, overall training purposes. You have the whole specificities to headlamp clusters, tail lamps, OHCs inside, and that's what is being taught. And the product awareness, the component awareness is very important. That's what Maruti Suzuki and UNO Minda tells us. What you see here are the defective pieces and the defective various components, headlamp clusters here. And the management trainees here who undergo this vigorous training process are taught how to spot a particular defect. This increases the overall efficiency and brings down the rejection rate in the overall process. We also had the chance to talk to few of the management trainees here, and this is what they had to say and how Dojo changed their overall lives.
You know that Maruti is a leader today, and we have become leader because we followed certain cultural change in the industry, which we brought in from our parent company, Suzuki Motor Corporation. And when we started training people within Maruti and outside supplier, what we noticed that there is a lot of cultural requirement, whether it is industrial safety, communication skills. So then we thought, okay, let us institutionalize total training methods, and this concept of dojo, which is a space where dedicated training is given by theoretical as well as practical training. So that was picked up, and we thought, why not to spread across all our vendor partners, which is 400 plus, because we want all, we want to maintain quality. In case there is a skilled people who is making this product, quality cannot come. Quality cannot come by inspection. So we had started focusing on the skill development across all our vendor chain within Maruti, all supply chain available. So that is why we thought, let us make it a standard method. Even if Maruti say same concept of training is being followed, induction of new people, theoretical training, practical training, exactly what they will do in the shop floor. This is the way we adopted these dojo training centers for our suppliers. First of all, when the skilled people are working, they have a direct connect with the industry. So what are they doing? And there are these are enablers. Skill is an enabler to us. But basically, we have improvement everywhere. First of all, quality improves. Second thing, as you have seen here also, how the operator is making a product also results into productivity improvement. And first of all, is the connect to the industry, where we call off softer skill. What they understand, why are they working for that industry, what are their own benefits, how to communicate, how to be safe. When we talk of safety, not only safety for their own we are trying to tell them the safety for your own family also. So the softer kind of skills development of also we have embedded into the skill which is required to operate in the industry. That is the basic change we have brought. What we are doing, we are talking in totality for the skill development across India. Now, DOJO is a part of it, which we are doing with the vendor partners. But we are doing the similar skill development with our dealer sets also, where we are training people not only on the sales techniques, how to drive the cars, and we are connected to. You can take the example of Gujarat, where we have adopted underprivileged youth, and almost 12,000 youth have been trained there for driving training, and all have been employed, and they have gone ahead in the economical. So we have taken skill development not through DOJO. DOJO is a part of it. So we are doing a dealer's place also. We have adopted more than 120 ITIs, where we are working with them, and those trained people are totally aligned to the industry. And those skill set, when they come, they can start producing the product the way we want. Now I would like to also share one more concept. We are calling it a JIM, which is Japanese Institute of Manufacturing, which is started October last year in Gujarat. Now this is a very fit model where we have gone a level up. Like in ITI, you have many trades which may not be aligned to the industry needs. But today, if we talk of JIM, 100% alignment. All technology what we are using there to train people is Japanese technology. We have even created a dedicated line where cars are being assembled in that JIM. Wherein a person can feel, he's producing car in that. Maybe next time when he join Maruti, he will be producing car. We are calling Japanese trainers in JIM, and they are teaching them the softer skill. What I was sharing a minute before, about cultural, about discipline, about communication. So this is the way we are taking it forward, the total skill development program.
यहाँ पर जो भी हमें सीखने को मिला है, जैसे हम यहाँ तो सीखते ही हैं, अपने शॉप फ्लोर पे तो करते ही हैं, अपने पर्सनल लाइफ में भी करते हैं। जैसे कि 5S हो गया, कि चीज़ों को कहाँ अच्छे तरीके से रखना, लोकेशन बनाना। पहले क्या करते थे, घर पे जाते थे, हम ऐसे ही चीज़ें रख देते थे। फिर हमने यहाँ सीखा, शॉप फ्लोर पे भी हमने किया, फिर अपने घर पे जाके भी हम वही करते हैं कि एक लोकेशन बना देते हैं कि हमें चीज़ें आसानी से मिल जाती हैं, जिससे हमारा टाइम भी सेव होता है। बहुत ही अच्छा लगा है हमें काम करने में, जिससे हमें काम करने में अच्छा भी लगता है और बहुत ज़्यादा ही हमें मतलब उत्साह भी मिला है। बहुत ही आसान है, जैसे हम यहाँ काम करके जाते हैं तो हमें वहाँ कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं, बहुत ही आसान होता है, आसानी से हम काम कर देते हैं अच्छे तरीके से। कंपनी के बारे में सब कुछ पता है, कितने प्लांट हैं, कैसी लाइटें, में कुछ भी वहाँ जानने के लिए वैसे तो यहाँ हमें सब कुछ पता चल जाता है, वहाँ हम जाते हैं बस आसान से काम कर लेते हैं।
सर डोजो एक ट्रेनिंग सेंटर है, यहाँ मैंने 9 दिन की ट्रेनिंग की थी और इसमें मैंने बहुत कुछ सीखा, जैसे 5S वर्क हमें कैसे करना है, लाइफ में भी उसको हमने यूज़ किया 5S को अपने में, तो इससे हमने बहुत कुछ सीखा। और वर्क जो हमें यहाँ पे सिखाया गया वही एज इट इज हमें वर्किंग प्लेस पर भी वही मिला। और यहाँ पर मैंने देखा है कि वहाँ वर्किंग प्लेस पे जो भी इम्प्रूवमेंट्स होते हैं वो इम्प्रूवमेंट्स डोजो में भी होते हैं, और इससे मेरी लाइफ में भी बहुत चेंज आया है। इसको 5S वगैरह जो भी मैंने यहाँ सीखा उसको मैंने अपनी लाइफ में भी यूज़ किया, और मैं यहाँ प्रोडक्टिविटी में भी इम्प्रूवमेंट कर रहा हूँ उससे, और क्वालिटी में भी इम्प्रूवमेंट कर रहा हूँ। यहाँ जो मैंने सीखा वहाँ जाके मुझे काम करने में कोई मुश्किल नहीं हुई, कोई परेशानी नहीं हुई।
Now, skill development remains an integrated part in the overall manufacturing in every industry and very specific to the auto industry. Now, such centers like DOJO has helped the overall ecosystem of skill development to be further enhanced. This and many more to come. Thank you for watching Express Drives.